Refund requests for Blackout Bingo are handled through the payment and support process, which means the first step is identifying the exact transaction before asking for help. By the end, you'll know what information to prepare, where to send a refund request, and what to check if your payment issue is not a refund problem. Start by checking your transaction details inside your account. Find the payment you are asking about, and confirm what the charge was for. This helps you explain the issue clearly instead of sending a general request with missing information. The type of problem matters. A mistaken purchase, an account issue, a payment error, or a question about game-related charges may require different support steps. Describe exactly what happened so the support team can review the correct issue. When contacting Blackout Bingo support, include the important details connected to the transaction. Add your account information, the payment details you can access, and a short explanation of why you are requesting assistance. Clear information makes it easier for support to understand your request. If your issue is actually about a missing balance, a delayed update, or another account problem, explain that directly. A refund request may not be the right solution for every payment-related issue. Choosing the correct category can help your request reach the right support process. Another step is checking the payment method you used. Depending on where the payment was completed, there may be different procedures for handling payment concerns. Review the payment record and follow the instructions provided by the platform where the transaction was made. Avoid sending repeated requests without adding new information. Keep your communication focused on one issue, and include any details that can help verify the transaction. Before submitting a request, review your message and make sure it explains the problem, the transaction involved, and the help you need. A complete request gives support the information required to review your situation. To summarize, check the exact payment first, provide clear transaction details, and explain the specific problem instead of only asking for a refund. Your next step is to open Blackout Bingo, review your payment history, and contact support with the relevant information. If this guide helped you understand the Blackout Bingo refund process, subscribe for more app guides and troubleshooting tips.